This patio screen door is very difficult to open or close, and that means there is a problem with the rollers or they track the roll-on. You can remove the screen door by lifting up from the bottom and pulling towards yourself if you have enough clearance on the top. But if you don't have enough clearance, look inside the hole on the side of the door and see what kind of screwdriver it takes to lower the wheels. Loosen up the adjustable screw on both sides of the door, and that should give you enough room to work with. After removing the door, I can see that one of the wheels is still good and spinning, but the other one not so much. It looks seized and worn out from dragging. And typically, these type of rollers can be removed by hand without any tools. But since this one is seized and greasy, I'll use a screwdriver to pull it out a little bit and then grab it with a pair of pliers. With a little back and forth action, eventually it should come out. As a replacement, I found a black roller, part number B713 from Primeline. Comparing the two, I can see the new one does not have a metal bearing like the original, and probably not as sturdy. So I've decided to move the top original roller to the bottom because that's where the most action is, and put the new one on the top. Removing the top roller is gonna be much easier because it's in a good shape. Just grab it, push it towards the corner, and pull it out. And to reinstall it, insert the flexible whip into the hollow space in the door and lock it in like so. And here's a better angle for your viewing pleasure. This little nub should be inserted into this holder. I'm using a screwdriver to guide it so I don't block off the camera view, but you don't need it. Snap it in its place and continue moving the wheel until it locks in, just like so. And now I can install the new black roller on the top of the screen door. And once again, I will guide it with a screwdriver and continue pushing the wheel until it locks in. And here's the side view installation without any tools. And if you found this video informative, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.